Hey guys, good morning and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about rewardingways.com. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I just wanted to let you guys know that when we hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. So if you have not yet, please subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get notified when I drop new videos daily. And let's get into the video. So, rewarding ways. You can earn money with surveys, offer walls, referrals, but you see I have 76 referrals, contests, rewards. They have gift cards and PayPal cash. The FAQ, the quick help guide, the support tickets, the testimonials. It shows your completed offers and your promo codes. If you don't follow them on Twitter, you should. They give out promo codes there. You can do, I always do popular surveys. And all these offer walls. My favorite is Peanut Labs, AdGate, Offer Toro, Ascend Media, Lootably, Revenue Universe, and Engage Videos. So we're going to be doing a cash out today. Of $1.27. The minimum cash out is $1. You can do PayPal. You can do instant PayPal, one withdrawal per day up to $50, Skrill, or Bitcoin. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and withdraw this. You need to be using this site every single day. $1 a day in a month is $30. Okay, that doesn't seem like a lot, but if you put it with my other sites, you will see that you're going to make a lot of money. So that was that cash out. I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a breakdown. They've paid me a total of $54.61 since I've joined. I have 76 referrals. Referral earnings, I've earned $1.72. So all of this except like $53. I have earned my $53 of this I've earned myself. So you guys just need to get on here, do what you need to do, make $1 and cash out. So I hope this video was helpful. The link to sign up for rewarding ways to get a bonus will be in the description. Make sure you check that out. And I hope you guys have a fabulous Sunday. Talk to you guys soon.